Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bradley here. Today is Thursday, April 14th, 2022. Current time's now 3:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, about 60 minutes before 4 o'clock. Current temperature's now 57 degrees with partly cloudy skies with windy conditions. Yes, folks, we got a wind advisory issued for us from noon to 8 p.m. tonight from the Northern Indiana National Weather Service. That's why it's a little windy out here today. Sorry, my camera is moving a little bit because of the winds. Yeah, we're supposed to get somewhere between 15 to 25 mile an hour wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour on the winds here from southwest. I'm at Ray Street Railroad Crossing here, milepost 287 here on the main track here. This train is known as CFE-09. CFE-09 is getting ready to proceed from 288 to 276 here on the main track here. Because I heard on my CFE radio it's going to proceed from 288 to 276 on main track. Since CFE-09 is waiting for CFE-10, he thought he was going to get to coal, so that's why CFE-09 is proceeding from 288 to 276 here on the main track. Leading unit is CFE 2132, and I think it might be CFE 3486. Probably might be the same units from yesterday. Don't worry, everybody. He's coming. He'll be here just about a few minutes. He's getting ready to leave. Oh, I can see the signals on Washington Street. There goes Jefferson Street Railroad signals, too. All right, everybody. He's getting ready to leave. Oh, I see him. Sorry, folks, my camera is moving because it's so windy out here today. I've got windy conditions out here. Like I said, we're under a wind advisory until 8 o'clock tonight. Southwesterly winds up to 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Yep, I'm at Ray Street Railroad Crossing at milepost 287 here on the main track. Got CFE-09, get ready to proceed from 288 to 276 here on the main track. Look, there goes the signals. Look, there goes the signals for Ray Street. Here he comes. Look, here he comes. Look, there he is. Yep, it's right. There he goes. He's headed to Lima. Actually, he's headed to 276 here on the main track. There he goes. railroad crossing here at milepost 287 on the main track. This is a mixed freight steel train. Yankees proceed from 288 to 276 here on the main track. There's the last car. There it goes. I'm at Ray Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287 on the main track here in Van Wert, Ohio, here on the CFE main track. This has been CFE-09 with the lead unit 2132 with the 3486 CFE. This is in eastbound. He's gonna head to Lima once he's getting ready to get done waiting for CFE 10 to get to coal on the main track. Yeah, this train's proceeding from Adams to Cole on the main track, but he's proceeding from to 276 unless he has to wait for CFE 10 to get his work to get to Lima also. Yep, he's heading to milepost 276 on the main track, which is just near west of Delphus on the main line here. So he won't be far from Lima, though. He's got to probably wait for CFE 10 to get his work done, probably, unless he's doing his work in Delphus too before he heads to Lima on the main track, though. Well, there he goes, folks. He's heading to Delphus. Well, everybody, I hope you're really enjoying CFE 09. I'll see if I get more soon. I'll get more trains soon. Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Get a like, get a comment what you think about the trains on the railroad. And all those railroad and weather spotters, you all stay safe out there. And yes, everybody, I just want to let you all know, too, we got a little bit of windy conditions out here today. We are under a wind advisory until 8 o'clock tonight by the North Indiana National Weather Service. We're supposed to get some southwesterly winds between 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour for today. We already had a cold front that just came through here last night. Because we had some of those showers and thunderstorms, but we didn't get no severe weather because it shifted to the south. It's alright, folks. Sometimes the weather can change, though. It is part of nature. Well, everybody, I hope you're really enjoying that. I'll see if I can get more soon, okay? And all those railroad and weather spotters, you always stay safe out there. And I just want to make sure I send my thoughts and prayers for all those people down there that got hit by that severe weather to the south last night. Hope you all stay safe down there. And everybody down there, you all stay safe. And all those railroad and weather spotters, stay safe out there. This is Bradley here. You all have a good day. Like I said, subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment what you think about the trains on the railroad. All right, well, you all have a good day. This is Bradley here. You all stay safe. All right, thank you. All right, bye.